Hi, welcome back to another lesson. Today, I'm going to talk about the correct use of in spite of. Before going to start, I would say one thing. If you are new, so please subscribe, like, and share. And turn on the notification so you never miss any lesson when you upload. And I'd like to add one important thing. If you want to speak like natives, I think this lesson is for you. Okay? So friends, let's get started. Friends, already I have told you my today's lesson is about the correct use of in spite of. So friends, my first concept is about in spite of is used as a preposition. Okay? And my second concept is about in spite of plus noun means more or less the same as although plus clause. Friends, what do you mean by clause? Do you know that? I have written for you a clause definition. Okay? Here you see a clause is a group of words containing a subject and a finite verb. Okay? Here you see two examples I have written for you to get better understood. Okay? So my first example sentence is I graduated last year. This is one clause sentence, and I here is the subject and graduate here is the final verb. So we can say it is a one clause sentence. Okay. So friends, let's look at the second sentence, which is when I came here, I saw him. Here you see when I came here, it is a clause and another clause I saw him. This is a two clause sentence. Okay, in this way you can make more sentences. Okay, it's about clause. Okay, I think you understood clearly what am I trying to say is about clause. Okay, so friends, let's back to the previous concept, okay, which is in spite of plus noun means more or less the same as although plus clause. So friends, I have written for you two examples. So my first example sentence is we went out in spite of the rain. Okay, here rain is a noun. What does this sentence mean? It means you have an emergency verb, but you see it's raining heavily outside, but you have to go. In this concept, you can use in spite of. Okay, the same as although it was raining. Okay, and it was raining is a clause because it here is a subject and rain here is a verb. Okay, finite verb. That we can say it's a clause. Okay, we went out although it was raining, and it is also a correct sentence. Okay, so friends, my next example sentence is we understood him in spite of his accent. Okay, so accent here is a noun, the same as although he had a strong accent, it is a clause because he, here you see he is a subject and had here is a finite verb, that we can say it's a clause. Okay, so friends, my another concept is about in spite of is the opposite of because of. Okay, let's compare between in spite of and because of. Here you see two examples I have written for you so that you can understand clearly. So my first example sentence is she passed her exams in spite of her teacher. It means she had a bad teacher. Okay, so my Next example sentence is she passed her exams because of her teacher. It means she had a good teacher. Okay. So friends, I think you understood clearly what am I trying to say is about in spite of is the opposite of because of. Okay. So friends, my last concept is about in spite of can be followed by an ing form. Okay. So let's look at uh, the one example, which is in spite of having a headache, I enjoyed the film. Having here is an ing form verb, okay, and it is used after in spite of. So friends, I think you understood clearly. It's about in spite of. Next time you will not mistake and you will make many more sentences if you want, okay, and you will make sentences confidently and speak to another person confidently, okay. So friends, if you get some benefits in this lesson, so please subscribe, like and share. And if you want to know more, it's about in spite of. And uh, if you want to comment, it's about in spite of. So please uh, let me know in the comment section box. Okay. So friends, that's all for today. I'll be here with you another topic. Till then, wait. Bye bye.